Okay, so we saw how we can organize our code, but another huge thing about functions is making things more efficient. Okay, efficiency. So this mark question 1, mark question 2, mark question 3, mark question 4, got 4 functions that basically do the same thing, right? They get the input, they check the answer, and then say correct or incorrect based on the answer. So I'm thinking, man, wouldn't it be nice if I just had a single function called mark question, and then I just passed in the specific information for that question. So for example here, what's different in mark question 1 and mark question 2? Well, first of all, there's answer 1 versus answer 2, right? The ID of the input element is different, and as well as the result 1, result 2. So I'm tempted to say I could actually just use the question number here, right? I could go answer plus question number, answer plus question number, right? 1, 2, result plus 1, result plus 2. So I think that's one thing I need is just the question number, QNum, I'll say. And the other thing that's different, well, the result element will be depending on the ID, so that doesn't matter. Really, it's the answer, right? What's the correct answer? Correct answer is what I need in order to test for each question. So if I do that, I'm just going to copy and paste this code. So this is going to be answer plus QNum. So answer 1 or answer 2 or answer 3, that's all the IDs. This will be result plus QNum. And then I'm just going to call this the result element. All right, we don't, oops, get that T back there, result element. Okay, and then this answer here, just to clarify, let's make this the user answer. Right, and I'm actually going to select this and hit Control D. Good, user answer, so that replaces it. Control D selects multiple things, so you can replace it. Do triple equals there. And then this is going to be the correct answer. Oh dear. Okay, it just kicked me out for some reason. Anyway, I'll go there later. Correct answer. Okay, so this is pretty generic now, right? The user answer is going to be answer 1 or 2 or 3, whatever QNum is. I'm going to convert that to lowercase. The result element will be the element with result 1 or 2 or result 3 with that ID. And if their user answer equals the correct answer, which gets passed in, then I say correct and score plus plus. Incorrect. Okay, this looks pretty good. So the first question, the answer was Canada. So I could change this now to question 1, comma, Canada is the correct answer. Then this is mark question 2, and the right answer is cardinal. Let's just copy that. And then question 3, and the right answer for this one is Tai Lung, like so. And then question 4, and that was pickle ball. And I make sure that this function is just that one function now. We have this mark question function that takes in the question number, which helps us get the right IDs for the input element and the result element, and then the correct answer. Okay, that's pretty awesome, if it works. So let's delete all of these. Bye-bye. And that's where that efficiency comes in, right? What's the saying again? Don't, keep your programs dry. D-R-Y, don't repeat yourself. So this function helps me not repeat myself. I can use this code over and over again and just pass in the different values as parameters, right, into these parameters. Okay, let's test this. Control save, refresh. And let's try this one, Tai Lung, and pickleball. And 2 out of 4, correct, correct, incorrect, incorrect. Still working. Okay, awesome. So that's huge, right? That's the idea of this. We took our code and made it a quarter. Imagine if we had 8 questions, right? 10 questions. You would have had 10 separate functions. Now, in order for me to add a new question, all I'd have to do is add the HTML and then just call the mark question function with question 5 and the correct answer, right? One line of code to add another question, plus a bunch of HTML code. But in terms of JavaScript, to add one more question would just be a single line of code. That's pretty cool. Okay, that is efficiency. Okay, one more video I want to do, and that's talking about return values. This is the idea of parameters, right? These are the parameters, and these are the arguments, right? The values we pass in are called arguments, and these are parameters, so passing data into a function. In the next video, we'll see how in this quiz example, we can also return values from these functions. Okay, hope this is making sense. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.